Hello everyone, welcome. In our previous lessons we've been learning the question words in Spanish. These are also referred to as interrogative words. So here are some of the interrogatives that we've studied already in previous lessons. In this lesson we are going to learn the interrogative ¿adónde? ¿Adónde, which means where or where to. ¿Adónde? Where to. ¿Adónde is most often accompanied by the verb ir, which means to go. So you'll usually see one of these forms of the verb to go with the question ¿adónde? And of course, a form of the verb ir is in the answer or is implied in the answer. So let's go ahead and take a look at some examples and put all of this together. So the question, where are you going? Notice I don't use the word to, T-O, in English in the question. It's not necessary. Where are you going? It will appear in the answer. For example, where are you going? I am going to the store. Okay, so let's ask a question using tú and the verb ir and ¿adónde? Putting it all together, where are you going? The question would be ¿adónde vas? Remember, the tú is not necessary because the form of the verb ir tells you that the subject is tú. It only goes with this subject pronoun. This form only goes with this subject pronoun. So there's the question, ¿adónde vas? Where are you going? If I want to ask the question using usted, the question would be, ¿adónde va usted? ¿Adónde va usted? Where is he going? ¿Adónde va él? ¿Adónde va él? Where is she going? ¿Adónde va ella? Where are you going using ustedes? ¿Adónde van ustedes? Where are you going using vosotros or vosotras? ¿Adónde vais? And finally, where are they going? ¿Adónde van ellos? Or ¿adónde van ellas? Let's look at what happens when you answer this type of question. So we have the question, ¿adónde vas? Notice what happens to the a in the answer. I'm going to the library. Voy a la biblioteca. Notice the a, meaning to, appears in the answer. I'm going to the store. Voy a la tienda. I'm going to the gas station or the petrol station. Voy a la gasolinera. Let's take a look at one final example. When the place you are going to is a grammatically masculine noun, something happens. I'm going to the bank. Bank is el banco. So we can't say voy a el banco in Spanish. A and el together are an obligatory contraction. So this will contract to al. So the answer is voy al banco. Voy al banco. That's it for this lesson. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. To continue learning Spanish and go on to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. Hasta pronto.